Conditions are also pretty bad near the airport, though. News Channel 5's Eric Hilt joins us live in Donelson this morning. So, Eric, what's the latest from there?
Yeah, we're outside Donelson Christian Academy, and I just want to give you a look now that the sun is rising. That was Donelson Christian Academy back there. You can see the roof torn off. Part of the building collapsed. There is rubble pretty much everywhere. When you go down closer to that building, you can see straight through a hallway and see how it collapsed down onto that building. We spoke to the headmaster who told us, thank God this happened in the middle of the night and not when students were there, because that building is destroyed. And that's destroyed. This neighborhood was hit extremely hard, and now you can really see the extent of that damage. Roofs torn off of the houses. You can see this trailer thrown into the yard of this home and just twisted and turned like it's been thrown around by those winds. And it goes on and on down this neighborhood. You can see just how much devastation there is now that the sun is coming up. And we've started to see people coming back to this neighborhood now. Now that the rains have stopped and the sun is up, just to see how badly their homes or their neighbors' homes were destroyed. And there's really a feeling of shock as these people return. They don't know what to expect, and they get here and they see it, and they don't really know how to process it, because it is a lot to take in, especially when these are homes you've lived in for years, homes your neighbors have lived in for years, and they're gone in the blink of an eye. And so there really is just a lot of people who are trying to process what's happening, a lot of shock in this neighborhood as the sun is coming up. And we've been in Donelson all morning reporting in this area, and I can say that, in my opinion, this area near Donelson Christian Academy was the hardest hit by this storm, just judging by the damage to all of these houses and, of course, to the school itself. We're going to talk to folks as they try and figure out and process what to do next. But for now, reporting live in Donelson, Eric Hilt, News Channel 5.